Okay, first we need to list out what are the characteristics we are going to create and what are the value fields we are going to use. Okay. Okay, characteristics, only one characteristic I am creating, that is user defined characteristics, that is ww. Our company code is JKT, assume. Okay, J region. Okay, this is the
user defined characteristic always start with WW and SAP defined characteristic start with VVV. Did you tell you?
no characteristic prefix should start with ww for user defined characteristic. Okay, value field prefix should start with vv.
Okay.
Okay, this is the
Yes,
characteristic.
one doubt here. If we are since it is the user defined characteristics, if we are using SAP based characteristics, then it will also start with WW.
No. If SAP provided characteristic, if you use that characteristic, that may be any code. That means that it may be any code, not
It
ww.
will be okay. But in case of user, it should be start with WW. It is fixed.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, characteristic, I am going to create this one. Okay, remaining value fields we need to create based on the values flow, actual values flow. Okay, from SD, sales quantity, revenue, discount, rebate, these values will flow from SD to COPA, COGS, these values will flow from FIMM, inventory revaluation, price variance, and physical inventory difference. Okay, any uh, direct posting from FI, that is it may be advertisement, sales commission, like that. Okay, based on the values flow, value fields we will create based on the actual values flow. Okay, we will create one by one. Okay, first maintain characteristics. Okay, here characteristics and value fields at client level. Okay,
Okay.
you will create client level, and that characteristics you will assign to operating concern.
Okay. So before that, we have to create operating system, right?
Yeah, first we will create characteristics and value fields. After that we will create operating concern. Operating concern creation time, these characteristics and value fields we will assign to the our operating concern.
Okay.
Okay, create characteristic, that is ww JRA region. Select create or change button. Okay, this is cross client data structure.
Okay.
Enter. Okay, here select user defined characteristic.
Okay.
Here description global region. Enter. Data element, this system only will give data element and all. Okay, here data element, domain, data type length we will specify what is the characteristic. Okay, and table, and system will give the table name and data element domain. This is internal table. Shortest global region. a data type characteristic, that means it may be numeric, it may be alphanumeric. Okay, length.
So what kind of data type? Data type means this, which data type it is referring, and that is also it is showing above dictionary.
Yes, yes, this is normally in actually what if we will implement BW module. Okay, if you implement BW module, in that case we will see the data, total data we will see in BW only, not COPA. Okay, in COPA just we will map it, the total reports we will see in BW only.
Okay.
Okay, here we will maintain data type, means that is it may be numbering or characteristic. Both it will accept, and system only will provide the data element, domain, table, internal table, all system will provide. Okay, this above dictionary they can use to map this characteristic and data element. Okay,
What is the other option, Hari? Just go to F4.
Okay, this characteristic numeric. Numeric means only numbering. Alphanumeric means that is numbering and ABCD characteristic.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Alphanumeric. Okay.
Yes, this characteristic length normally 5 digit. Okay, here status you can check, status doesn't exist. Okay, we should activate this characteristic. Select activate button. Select automatic. Okay, now you can check the status, active status, and system provided this data element RKEG WWJRE. System automatic. Okay,
So RKG system has automatically assigned.
yes, this domain also system only provided. This table also, internal table also, this text field also. BW consultant, they will map by using this data elements.
Okay. And one more question, Hari, about data type. Always you should give only 5 character.
Yeah, normally this characteristic 5 digit only. You can give 10, 9.
Okay, whatever the characteristic length we have maintained, only that number, according to that we have to maintain here.
No, not like that. You can, if suppose if you give 10 digit, that means the maximum length you can maintain 10 digits.
Maximum length of what? Characteristics.
No, not characteristic. I think this I think in BW side they will maintain the length, maybe. This length it is used in BW.
Okay.
Okay, we created characteristic. Now create value fields. Okay, value fields, user defined characteristics, prefix should start with VB. Okay, value fields all we are creating our own only. We are not using SAP provided. Okay, create our value fields, our own value fields. VVJ, J is our company code, JKT. Okay, that's why I have given J, and you can give any digit 0, 1. Create or change. Okay, caution, you are crossing cross client data structure. Okay, your description is, first one is, okay, I will put mute, I'm getting disturbance. Okay, here description, sales quantity. First we will check SD values. What are the values will flow from SD module to COPA? One is, first one, sales quantity will flow. Sales quantity will flow from SD to COPA. Okay, this is quantity radio button. This is quantity radio button. This is quantity related. If it is amount related, select amount. If it is quantity related, select quantity radio button. Select activate button. Okay, activate. Data element system only will provide. Select next entry button. Select create one more value field. Select create one more value field. VVJ, revenue will flow. Revenue also will flow. Give RE. Revenue. Okay, some cases they will ask the net weight, gross weight. They will ask net weight. If they will ask net weight and gross weight, that also quantity value fields. Gross weight, net weight, those are also quantity related, not amount related. Revenue, revenue it is amount related. Select amount related radio button. Enter short test revenue. Select activate button. Okay, ERLOS, it is the standard value field. It is the standard value field. ERLOS is nothing but revenue. This is the standard field. System is telling that you can use this value field also. Okay, we are using same value field, same name. Okay, that's why system is suggesting you can use this value field also. Okay, we are using our own value field. Enter. Yes. Okay, activated. Create next value field. Discount. Sorry.
Hari, one question.
Yes.
In which case we will create gross and net value field? As you told, the gross and net also will create value field as a quantity, not amount.
Yes, yes.
What would be the case?
Yeah, normally the user wants to see profitability report, gross weight and material code. Suppose material code wise they will see. Okay, and what is the gross weight? They want to see gross weight also in COPA. In that case, gross weight you will create one value field. VVJ. What is this? Discount. Discount, it is amount related value field. Enter. Activate. Okay, I will create one gross weight also.
It will be good.
Okay, I will create gross weight. VV J GW gross weight. This is quantity. Select activate button. Select create entry. Net weight. double click on this activate button.
Weight is the quantity na.
Sorry, this is quantity.
Really?
Yes, yes.
Earlier we created there was a discount, okay?
Yes, discount we created.
Okay, the discount sometimes we will give a quantity discount also, sometimes we will give a cash discount also. In that scenario, whether we have to create a two different categories, value fields?
Yes, yes. In that case, we need to create two types of value fields. Normally the user will see, okay, what is the quantity discount amount only he will see. Quantity he won't see. Suppose we will give the different cases. Normally, suppose if you purchase.
Generally, mostly they see in this much only, but they want to see what is our quantity.
Yes, yes. In
Then,
suppose if you purchase 10 materials, okay, 10 quantity. If you purchase, they will give one free quantity.
yes.
Yeah, if they want to see, in that case, you will create two value fields. Okay, your error is there. Okay, earlier we selected amount and now we selected quantity. Once you will activate the value field, we are getting this problem. Okay, if you don't activate, then you can change the radio buttons.
So can't we delete?
No, we can delete also, I think. If you...
We can delete because there is no value, no?
Yes, yes. Okay, here one thing you can do. Okay, you created just now. Okay, this you can this value field. Okay, if you don't want this value field, don't assign to our operating concern. Okay, that's all. Okay, here you created, but if you don't assign, there is no impact.
But we want to see how net and gross weight is working, Hari. So that's why we have asked.
Yes, yes. Gross weight, that is correctly we created, and if you want, you can create one more also. Okay, this value field we have not assigned to our operating concern. That means there is no problem.
We did one more graph in that. Let it be.
Same system will allow, Ari?
No,
Value field name?
no, it won't allow.
It will not allow, no?
Mm.
Even one you can give, otherwise net weight, no? We NT or something. Otherwise directly give NE. First two letters of next.
INT I have given. This is also error. Why this is error is coming? Yes, that is the T code. KEA6 is the T code. In the T code only we created this value field. Okay, this I will check. Okay, the net weight we are getting problem. Okay, net weight we will create later. I will check that thing. Okay, create next value fields. Okay, I created revenue, right? Discount I created. Okay, rebate. Rebate is amount value field. Select activate button. Okay, this is also error. Why we are getting errors? This is function full. Okay, this is activated. Status it is showing activate only, but why it is showing error message, I don't know. Okay, now there is no error. Select create one more value field.
Hari, these fields are any validity?
No, here there is no validity period. That means you can use continue.
Okay, like valid condition records, like in sales certain purchase orders, we can see condition records validity. They want this month continuation, next month they may block the condition records, not requiring orders like that.
Yeah, in that condition records you can maintain period wise. That price it may be different, right? Condition type wise. Okay, this period is 50 rupees, next month 60 rupees. That's why validity is there. Here there is no validity.
What I want to say here, sorry for crossing a wise. The reason is here, sometimes some fields I require in COPA, some months I don't require. So can I block?
No, no, in that case you can create one more report. We cannot disturb the existing report.
Existing one.
Yes, yes.
Okay, continue. Thank you. Thank you.
VB JB freight cost. Okay, these values will flow from SD to COPA. नवीन डेटा कट देवाना है पावर पॉइंट देना है लेगा पावर पॉइंट नवीन अब 11 नहीं टाइम ला